Introduction to Copywriting. Have you noticed? It's tough to get people to read something you've written. You may try to blame the crowded web with all these distractions, but this is not the case. To help establishing how you should write your sales letter, it is important to map out your objectives. Once you are clear about your objective, it will be easy for you to adapt the required technique. So here are a few of them. For selling any product or service, if your sole aim is to sell your product or service, you need to convince people. You need to use the words that will convince the prospect of your product or service. And remember, do not be pushy. Talk in a conversational